Good morning to you. I'm Teresa Dufour. As CT Style remains on hiatus, we bring you today's CT Style Express. Now, during this uncertain time, many people have questions about personal injury and workers' compensation, especially as they start heading back to work. That's why News 8 has partnered with the Goff Law Group to bring you the law down. Attorney Brooke Goff joins us via Zoom from her office in West Hartford. Nice to see you, Attorney Goff.
Nice to see you, Teresa. Thank you.
All right, so we are talking car accidents today. People are getting back on the road, trying to get life back to the way it was. More people are driving. Can you give us some pointers if you are involved in a crash?
People are definitely back on the road because I'm super busy, right? But there are some pointers you should know even before you call a lawyer on a car accident case that only you can handle, right? Because you're right there at the scene of the injury. First, obviously, call 911. But make sure you understand that this call is recorded and it will come back and bite you. If you are upset and you start calling names to the other driver, think of how a jury of 6, or well, it's 8 people, but really 6 people are in the room deliberating, when COVID blows over eventually one day, would think of what you're saying. You don't want them to judge you based on what you're saying, right? So always understand that call's recorded. Make sure you're just to the point, sweet, simple, done. Also, I know everybody knows how to work cell phones, right? We all know how to work our cameras. I see all the Facebook, Twitter, all these crazy Snapchat things. Use those skills, right? Use them. Take pictures of the accident scene. Take pictures of the cars. Take a picture of the license plate of the other vehicle. Take picture of the license of, if the person allows you to see the license, and a picture of their insurance card. This stuff will come in handy. Sometimes with police officers, names will be inverted or whatever the case might be, and they can't find a policy, whatever. Don't fall victim of that trap because it takes us a while to fix the problem. You want to make this as easy of a transition as possible. Take those photos. Take photos of take photos of everything, guys. All right now. Don't take selfies in the ambulance, okay? Jurors don't like them. If you give them to me, I have to disclose them if it goes into suit. Guys, look, don't post photos of you on Facebook in an ambulance, guys. This is not received well, okay? No need to do it, don't do it. And also report it to your insurance. You have a duty to do that. If you don't do that, you're basically violating a contract with your insurance company. You're not gonna get any trouble, but you're not holding any secrets because they're gonna find out anyways, right? Your name gets in a funny little database and all that other good stuff. Those are just 3 pointers, but they're big pointers and what you can do right at the scene to help yourself down the road when you call me.
Sure. And Attorney Goff, does this change if you're involved in an accident while working?
So it just means you have two cases, right? You have a workers' compensation case. It's the best of both worlds, really. You have a workers' compensation case, so your medical bills and your wages are going to be paid up front through workers' comp. But then you have the third-party car accident case, right? Which obviously you get paid and suffering for as well. But So for car accident cases, if you're not working, your wages and your medical bills get paid out at the end by a full and final settlement, right? In workers' comp, your wages and your medicals get paid out in the beginning as you incur them. So it's the best of both worlds because you get that luxury of having your bills and your wages paid right now as you incur them. However, you also get the third-party element from the car accident case. But it's important you have the same attorney working on both cases.
Got it. And Attorney Goff, how does an attorney get paid in a case like this?
So in a car accident case, we get paid a third contingency. There's always a free consultation, clearly. We only get paid if you get paid, it's a third. It's a declining scale, so as you get more, the attorney gets less. I will tell you that any attorney that tries to take a retainer or whatever the case might be, this is not in accordance with the statute. The statute says that the fee's contingent and it's contingent on settlement. My costs are also contingent on settlement. Basically, if I don't get you anything, you owe me nothing. I don't care how much I've worked and how much I've spent. And it's no need to window shop because most attorneys are the same, unless if they're not the same, then you need to look elsewhere.
Got it. All right. So there's really no harm in working with an attorney. It's only going to work to your benefit.
I always recommend an attorney, guys. I know you can say I'm biased, whatever you want. Hey, look, I think you should hire me. I'm not saying I hire me, but I'm telling you, because I don't want this to come across as bias, working with an attorney in a car accident, you only have an upside. They're going to get you compounded way more than you will ever get on your own. I do it every day. My clients will attest to that. They just can't believe it. They come in with a $5,000 settlement offer. We settle it for $60,000. They're like, why didn't I do this in the beginning? I'm like, I don't know. That's why I'm on TV telling you to do it in the beginning.
Got it. All right. Of course, you can learn more over at thegofflawgroup.net. What's going on your social media pages? You always have a lot of fun stuff.
Bacon sip. We got some awesome swag. I totally have to send it to you. You have to put on the hat. Next one, right? We have hats, we have t-shirts, sweatshirts, Yetis. We just ordered. Super fun. Super. You know, you know me, next generation stuff. So I'm a little over the top, but it's good. So we're doing all kinds of crazy stuff. The holidays are coming. The Halloween billboards are going up. It's fun. Good times.
Well, check it out. Attorney Goff, thanks for chatting with us.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thanks.